the exhaust, this one's really good. The stock exhaust, way too different. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, The Tube Rider. So today we're gonna be installing this new Vance and Hines exhaust for my Street 500 here. So we've just taken the stock exhaust here. So the same procedure as per our previous video. It's more easier to remove that because we have cleaned it here previously. So we've taken that off, and this is what we're gonna be slipping on. The Vance and Hines. And I'm just thinking of removing the baffles. Actually, I'm just removing that one Allen screw there. We'll take off the baffle entirely. So yeah, let's slip this on and see what happens. It really looks cool because with the stock ones, it's up to here. It's very long, but this one here, very short, guys. See, it's just right there, which looks really cool. It looks very complicated, but it's actually very simple, guys. I'm just gonna slip that on, and this one actually has a slot here to put this one in place using these bolts here, these two bolts right there. Then we're just gonna tighten that using this clamp that is already here. One. Then the only problem I have is I don't know how to put this on. This is the heat guard. I don't know how this works, guys. So let's open her up. Ah, okay. Very easy. It's just similar to the old one that we've got. So bonus, guys, on that was yesterday. I went to Balina Motorcycles. Shout out to Andy. He gave me this exhaust for $80. Go figure. And the original price is around $460. So it's not too bad. It's a good bargain. And we've got some jackets, some shirts, riding pants on a bargain price as well. So I'm just gonna take them off there and slap this and this one. And this Vance and Hines actually came with this clamp, which I might be using. That's the previous clamp we've got here from Harley. They're all old and rusted. I'm gonna use that one. So I'll see how it goes first. I'll have a listen on this baffle. If it looks or if it sounds alright, we'll leave the baffle inside. If it's like a sewing machine, let's take that one off and have a listen. So we'll just do it temporarily. I'm not gonna finalize everything yet, and I'm just gonna clean this bit here. It's all rusted from the inside. Alright, and then we go from there. One goes there. Actually, this way, so it's easier. And then I'm just gonna give it a try first. All right, let's fire her up. That sounds alright, yeah. Sounds alright. So we might finalize that, and then if I'm not happy, I might just take that one off from there and take the baffles out, or I might just try without the baffles. Then let's have a listen. And that's how it looks like now that we have taken one Allen out. So because it's brand new, it's very easy to take this out, but if it's really hard, you can hammer it from here, and then this will just come off. So just hammer this side here. So that's good. Went off. Now the ultimate test for the sound. I hope it's not too bad, guys. Because with the SNS one, find it really loud. So let's see how this goes. Let's slip her on, then let's have a listen. Vance and Hines without the baffle. Okay, let's fire up. I just opened the shed just to make sure we've got air circulating. All right. That's a loud bike. It's too loud. I don't know. I'll just give this a try, guys. It's too loud. The police might pull us over. I don't know, guys. Comment in the section if this is actually legal on the road. It's just too loud, guys. Anyway, that's fine. We're gonna fix this up. Put the bolts, 2 bolts in there, clamp it, and we'll put the heat shield, and that's it. Very easy to remove and install. And this is how this works. I got this clamp here. We're just gonna slide it here inside like so, then we will lock it. Just gonna lock her in place. Now that we've got everything positioned, this is just the tricky part here. And it took me a while to put that in place. But yeah, time to tighten that bolt. Yeah, that's correct. Because if you put this first, you won't be able to tighten this one. That's right. So I've tightened it here so it has support when we try to tighten this bit here, so it's not gonna break. Cool. The angle of this one must be hidden somewhere. We'll just loosen this up. Hit clamp, so it should be somewhere here, out of the way. You reckon? Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah. And Bob's your uncle. We've got a Vance and Hines exhaust for $80. Such a good bargain, guys. So happy with this. And the sounds, it's not too bad compared to the SNS. I like the rumble, like boo. I'm just not sure how it sounds on the road. is next time we're gonna get a saddlebag, put it here, and then it's not gonna disrupt the exhaust, and it's gonna be less noisy as well because the bags will sort of block the noise from the engine. All right, I'm gonna go for a quick spin and I'll see you in the next one. It's not too bad actually, guys. I like the rumble of this exhaust. It's not too noisy and it's bearable.